Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've done that intro. Today, I'm going to try and make a weekly series above my regular uploading. So, yeah, wish me luck with that. To start with, we have a Bugatti Divo, which is a hypercar which sold out within the first day of its release. It's worth around £4.8 million, and there were only ever 40 of them ever made. That, I said ever twice. There were only 40 of them ever made. Here's what it sounds like.
This is what the Divo sounds like.
Would you daily drive this Lamborghini Huracan?
Ooh, it's perfect.
Next is a £1.8 million LaFerrari. I don't believe anyone was injured in that crash. The Koenigsegg Gemera was unveiled or unveiled?
Unveillé.
That's French.
Unveiled.
Got it. The Koenigsegg Gemera was unveiled just over a month ago on the 3rd of March. But I don't care, and I'm putting it in here. Only 300 will be made, and the BBC says it will cost roughly £1.5 million each. This is how aaaaaaa Design make their car models. Pretty cool if I say so myself. This is a Dodge Demon taxi. Next is an apparent self-made 1959 Chevrolet Impala. To finish off, here's the Lamborghini Countach doing donuts. I love this car. I do hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll probably see you on Wednesday for something. I don't know what it will be, but I'll see you then. Probably. In a bit.